Money fall on you, banana fall on you.
Hello, this is Yvebelize here. Today we are going to be talking about how I recovered after heat damage. It's been 6.5 months already, going on 7 months, and I didn't expect to be having this much great result already. I thought that this was gonna take me at least a year before I can see some real result, but I just want to share with you the things that I have been doing to bring me to this point. As you can see, my hair recovered beautifully in 6.5 months. I don't believe it. This is what I'm used to. So I'm gonna put the link to my heat damage here from 6 months ago if you haven't seen that video already, so you could see what problem I caused and where I am now. So let's get into how I got it back this quickly already. So I wash my hair weekly. Just sharing with you the things that I've done thus far that's helped me. I wash my hair weekly, and in the first 2 months of the damage, I was strictly using the Apogee shampoo, the treatment, the 2-minute treatment, and the protein treatment. And then after the 2 months of doing that, I moved over to my regular shampoo. Wash weekly. The second thing that I did was to ensure that I was deep conditioning every time that I wash my hair, that was something that I've been doing from the beginning anyway. I started adding stuff into my deep conditioner. For example, sometimes I would add Jamaican black castor oil. I had times where I would add avocado. I've been adding amla oil, shea bay, henna. So these are all things that you can add to your deep conditioner to even give it more boost and strengthening your hair and ensuring that your hair has the amount of moisture that it needs. Something else that I changed around that helped me a whole lot, because my hair was already weak from the heat damage. Before heat damage, I was detangling my hair in the shower while I had my conditioner in. Before I deep condition, that's where I would detangle. I X'd that out after heat damage, and what I incorporated instead was, prior to washing my hair, I pre-pooed my hair, and that's when I would do my detangling, and I wash my hair with my twist in, deep condition my hair with my twist in. I would take the twist out to put in the deep conditioner and retwist, but I wasn't going back in detangling my hair while it's wet. And I find that did two things. It caused less stress on my strands and less shedding. And me doing that, it cut wash day into more than half, because it took way less time to wash my hair. So that helped a great deal. Pre-pooing prior to washing the hair, and I wash my hair in the twist. I also ensured that I was using rice water and green tea for shedding and strengthening my hair. So if I use rice water this week when I wash my hair, the next week I alternate to green tea and vice versa. So that's what I was doing, but I was ensuring that I was making sure I was strengthening my hair, getting my protein in as well. And I wanted to do rice water and green tea, so I alternated 1 week 1 week on and off to ensure that I was doing that. I also ensured that I was in between washing, deep conditioning. I was treating my hair with my Ayurvedic. I do henna every 2 weeks. That's what I do because I mainly use henna to color my gray hairs. So I've been actually, if you can see that, I do get them. So I put it in my scalp, and at the same time I'm strengthening, you know, but henna for me is every 2 weeks. And I do my bentonite or raw stool clay treatment once a month. All of that stuff really helped me get to this place that I'm at. But I've usually do henna and bentonite clay anyway. That's a part of my routine. You want to remain consistent in whatever routine that you're going to incorporate. If you remain consistent, you're going to see your results. Just consistency and be patient and trust the process. It's going to all come together. The next thing I did that was very huge, I cut out heat. As you know, I mainly used to wear my hair in a wash and go, and every week when I did my hair, I would stretch my hair with the dryer to get the, you know, not the maximum stretch, but at least have some kind of a length. With me protective styling, twisting out my hair, braiding out my hair, no need for me to put any heat to my hair, and it did make a difference. Not that me putting heat to my hair before I caused any damage, that I would see any damage that it was doing to my hair in that regard, but it's something that I didn't need to do, so I totally cut that out, and it made a big difference. One of my game changers was to include my Fit Top scalp massager into my routine. I do this most of the times twice a day. If I miss it in the morning, I make sure I do this before bedtime. It's very relaxing, and at the same time you're massaging your scalp with this, getting your blood flow going, and this encourages hair growth for sure. So this was a great thing to start doing. Another thing that I've consistently been doing, I don't know if you can see that, but this is my MSM powder. You take this in with orange juice. This is rich in sulfur, and it takes the sulfur and delivers it into your body. The moment you start taking MSM, you can see hair growth, and I just don't mean your hair, so be prepared. That's just showing you that your hair is really growing. Even if you're not seeing the result, this grows your hair, I mean, tremendously. If you're just starting on MSM, you want to start very little, maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon in the beginning, and like after a week you gradually go on and just taking a little bit more. With your OJ, you could put it with whatever you want to drink it with, but I take it in with orange juice. If you're finding that this information that I'm providing to you is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. As you can see, prior to hair damage, I had color in my hair and it was growing out. So about 2 months ago exactly, I recolored my hair while recovering from heat damage, and as you can see, it didn't do anything to my hair, but may have even caused it to flourish even more. Color doesn't do any damage to my hair. My hair seems to love when I color it, but the most of the damage that I did happened right over here, is where I cut off a lot of my hair, and as you can see, it's nice and fluffy, and I did a lot of cutting in the back here too. I'm going to show you what that's looking like thus far. So yeah, This is the result after 6.5 going on 7 months. I am so pleased with what it's looking like right now and all the improvement that's been made. I really love this. I'm gonna continue to just do what I have been doing. We're home anyway. I'm blessed to be home working. That is such a blessing. For everybody out there who's not working right now, just hang in there and keep the faith. And while you have extra time, just take time to take care of yourself, because it starts with us. You know, we have to take care of ourselves, and everything else will fall into place. And just trust God. He's gonna take care of you. He's the ultimate provider when it's all said and done. There's nothing I can do without him. So regardless of what's going on, just keep your eye focused, and he's gonna get us all through this trying, challenging time that we're going through. So yeah, I hope that this helps or is helpful to someone out there that may be going through the same challenge with your hair. As I said, just be consistent, put your routine in place, and have patience, and you will see the progress. And you'll see that your process is working. Just be patient. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.